Hello and welcome to you all to this episode of the IG Global Panvision, and I'm Kirti here.
Today's episode is sponsored by
Vendel Travels and Holidays, ground floor Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore.
First, the top story. RJ Vishwas of Radio Mirchi completes 102 hours of non-stop jogging, makes it to the Limca Book of Records. Now, the news in detail. Maan Saban celebrates International Women's Day, holds Salyanchan Saban. 10 days Khadi and Home Products Expo begins in Mangalore. And in our entertainment bash, we have a Konkani song from Bilfi Night held at Kuwait, a dance from Salyanchan Saban, a Hindi song from the musical evening held at Town Hall.
Vendel Travels and Holidays pleased to announce Cox & Kings 250th birthday special offers. Up to 40% cashback on European tours, up to 20% cashback on USA tours. Flexible tailor-made packages to suit individual needs. Romantic honeymoon packages, fascinating Far East holidays, exploring Australia and New Zealand, domestic and international tickets, visas, exploring our own country or simply taking a weekend break. Please contact Vendel Travels and Holidays, ground floor Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore. Phone 244752 4254881 6452 999.
News in detail. It seems Mangalore is creating records after records. After the success of Konkani Nirantari, 40 hours non-stop singing marathon, Mangalore's popular radio jockey Vishwas, who ventured into creating a new record on February 29th, completed 102 hours of non-stop jockeying on Tuesday, March 4th, and made a place for himself in the Limca Book of Records. It was celebration time at Bennett Coleman's Radio Mirchi studio in Mangalore when the clock ticked 11 on Tuesday, March 4th morning.
Hey Vishwas, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ ಆರ್ಜೆ ವಿನಾಯಕ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯ, ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಎವಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ್, ಈರಿನ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚೆ ಇಂಕಲ ಲಕುಮಿ ತಂಡ ಇರೆಗೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಅದುಂಡು ಸೊನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಚಿನ ಸಾಧನೆ ನಲ್ಲ ತೀರ್ನ ಜೀವನ ಆವೊಂದು ಪಡು ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ನ ಕುಸಲ್ದರಸೆ ನವಿಂಡಿ ಪಡೀಲ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸಂಡೆ ಇದ್ದ ಮಂಡಿ ಇಂದು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ದು ಮಂಡಿ ಇದ್ದು ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಮಂಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಂತಾಗಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಂಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕಿಡಿದ್ದೇವಾ ಅಪ್ಪನದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡಿಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಹೇ ಆಲ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು 102 hours ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ದಿನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನೇ ತಾನೇ ಬರಬೇಕು ಹಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕೆ.
Ebullient radio jockey Vishwas completed 102 hours of continuous jockeying to find a place in the Limca Book of Records. Vishwas, along with the other RJs and program heads of Radio Mirchi, celebrated the moment by cutting a cake.
And say sakkat.
Interestingly, Radio Mirchi too completed 102 days in Mangalore on this day. Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM in its wacky and different style made this leap year a very special and memorable one for its listeners in Mangalore. On February 29th, the day when Radio Mirchi Mangalore completed 98 days of the station going on air, RJ Vishwas charged Mangaloreans to a bright and cheerful morning and kept the listeners tuned to Mirchi in a unique way continuously for 102 hours.
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನೇ ದೇವನಾಣೆಗೂ ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ತೋಡೆ ಬಾನೇನೆ.
For the next 4 days, RJ Vishwas woke up Mangaloreans to the light music of Munjaneya Raga at 5 am and was with them till 1 am. He captured his listeners by constantly keeping them entertained for 102 hours, just like the frequency 98.3. RJ Vishwas, the spearhead of Mirchi Express 983, guided the listeners through various programs and took them through Mangalore on various aspects from the different arts forms such as the Kambla and Yakshagana, light music and the flavors of the city, the future of education in Mangalore to the vivacity and prudence of living on the coastal belt. In fact, he replaced all the 7 RJs and their beats without changing the content of the programs for 4 days.
Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM, Sakat Hot Maga.
ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಇವಾಗಿದೆ 132 for 227 overs ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಿರ್ಚಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಯು ಬೈ
RJ Vishwas, a popular morning jockey with Radio Mirchi, is a multifaceted guy. Most of the Mangaloreans may not be knowing that it was the same Vishwas who had won the National Child Artist Award for the movie Kraurya, directed by Girish Kasirvalli in the year 95-96. He has been conferred with Kannada Film Industry Directors Association Award in the same year. He got opportunity to inaugurate various film festivals. He has been conferred with the title Pratibha Ratna by Muruga Rajendra Swamy. As a student of SJM Law College, he has represented Bangalore University thrice at the national level in debate and extempore. Vishwas is a familiar face among the viewers of TV Daiji World. Vishwas Kamath also reads news on TV Daiji World. Khadi is a fabric of freedom and passion in India. Mahatma Gandhi, the man who brought independence to the country, popularized Khadi among the people. For Gandhi, Swaraj without country-made Swadeshi goods is a lifeless corpse. And he wrote, "If Swadeshi is the soul of Swaraj, Khadi is the essence of Swadeshi." And even after 60 years of becoming an independent country, Indians wear Khadi with pride and patriotism. The brisk business at the Khadi exhibition open in Mangalore proves this. If anyone is of the opinion that handmade and indigenous products are of inferior quality and can never outshine the imported products in terms of quality, this is the right time to check their facts. Brisk business at the state-level Khadi Expo open at Woodlands Hotel hints at how popular Khadi and indigenous products are for the people of India. The popularity of Khadi and rural products is not restricted only to the rural India. Even the people in the city love to own them. Apart from Khadi cloth and dress materials, herbal and jute products, paper bags, neem products, agarbattis, etikopakka toys, cashew nuts, pickles, mango jelly and soaps are also available at the expo. State Khadi and Village Industries Commission has organized the Khadi and Village Industry Exhibition in Mangalore in order to provide marketing support to the institutions and individuals financed under Khadi and Rural Employment Generation Program. Mangalore Division Assistant Commissioner Samir Shukla inaugurated the state-level exhibition cum sales of village industry products on Monday, March 3rd. Khadi and Village Industry Commission State Director K. Mohan Raju, Syndicate Bank General Manager I. Parthasarathi, NABARD AGM Praveen Raj Udupa, Canara Bank DGM MM Kudwa were present. The exhibition will be held till 12th March at Woodlands Hotel, Mangalore. March 8th is a day to respect womanhood. The whole world will be celebrating the World Women's Day on this day. Women on all continents, often divided by national boundaries and by ethnic, linguistic, cultural, economic and political differences, come together to celebrate their day. Man Soban, the Konkani Cultural Organization of Mangalore, too thought of celebrating the day and hence dedicated their Moinalli Manchi, a monthly program to the women. Women of all ages assembled at Kalangan to celebrate World Women's Day on Sunday, March 2nd. It was indeed a Women's Day out at Kalangan. From rendering background music to comparing the program, everything was managed by women. All women choir group rendered scintillating music composed by the music director Irene Ribello. Top female singers of Konkani, Edith D'Souza, Zina Pereira, Simona Pereira entertained the audience at Salyanchan Soban. College students presented dance program. Gloria Rodriguez and Matilda Pinto compared the program. The jam-packed Kalangan witnessed for the first time in its history an exclusive event staged by the women for the women. The evening was indeed a memorable evening for all its audience.
ते चेडू नाका रे सैताना बरी दिसता म्हणून आयकालोय तो लव लव म्हणून गेलो आणि पडलो पोंडांत. आता कितें जालें? तूं कोणापूर पडटा ह्या मोद्यान उठोन? हांवें कितें म्हणलें तुका?
Konkani Bazaar opened at the premises of Kalangan was also inaugurated on the occasion. Eric Ozario, president of Konkani Sahitya Academy, inaugurated Konkani Bazaar. Mangalore University Chair and Christianity Chairman Father John Fernandez graced the occasion. St. Thomas Konkani Institute Goa Director Father Pratap Naik, Mansaban President Louis Pinto, entrepreneur Roy Castellino were the guests. Konkani literary works and the CDs and VCDs of Konkani Nirantari 40-hour Singathon will be available at the stall. There is much more coming up after this break, so stay tuned.
Vendel Travels and Holidays pleased to announce Cox & Kings 250th birthday special offers. Up to 40% cashback on European tours, up to 20% cashback on USA tours. Flexible tailor-made packages to suit individual needs. Romantic honeymoon packages, fascinating Far East holidays, exploring Australia and New Zealand, domestic and international tickets, visas, exploring our own country or simply taking a weekend break. Please contact Vendel Travels and Holidays, ground floor Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore. Phone 2447582, 4254881, 6452
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.